on Tommy Bird. We are going to show Thomas yet another fucked up internet video. Now he has no idea what the fuck this is. It's called meat spin.
I have so many comments with that, with the meat spin shit. First of all, Meatloaf.
Meatloaf.
Good music.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say Meatloaf can't spin.
Bro, what would you know about Meatloaf? You only know about mushrooms.
Oh, bust. Hey, those are my batteries, motherfucker.
And the wheels keep on turning. Alright. Cool.
Is this loaded?
No.
Oh shit,
Okay,
right here.
is this one loaded?
Oh shit, I dare you.
How you load this bastard?
No!
You dared me! You dared me! You dared me!
It's already loaded.
Wow! No!
It's loaded!
It's really
No! No!
Bird doesn't know that.
No! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh!
Take it off safety.
Oh.
Is it really?
Where's the it wasn't loaded!
I don't care!
Okay, back.
No! I'm shooting him in the nut!
No, you're not. Which one? That's the...
Okay, here we go. He has to go through 1 minute of sitting here watching meat spin. And there's a counter on this thing, by the way.
Oh.
If he can't make it
I shoot him in the nut?
without turning away or making a face or anything,
I shoot him in the nut?
you shoot him in the nut.
I shoot him in the nut.
He has to keep a poker face. It's straight poker face. In other words, you don't let your opponents know what
I
you
shoot
have.
him in the nut.
You have to sit there, look at this video, straight face, no smiles, no nothing, for 1 minute.
Yeah.
Or John gets to shoot you in the
And let's
dick.
be clear. That means no making faces, no smart aleck remarks, no nothing. Zip, zip, zip. She has to sit there and watch it.
You call me a shit.
Joe Mama!
Okay,
Okay, you ready for this?
I guess.
Does this one take pills?
I mean, I saw
No.
BBs?
2 girls in one cup
man.
one time, and
Okay, but
I saw a
you need
horse.
the black thingy so I can shoot
Yeah.
Wasn't very pretty.
Paige, are you ready for this, Evil?
I don't like watching my friend get destroyed.
He's not gonna get destroyed.
him.
Oh, great.
Physically, anyway.
Or mentally.
Okay, we're back on now. Since Thomas decided he had to shut off the camera on me like a dum-dum.
I'm loaded.
Okay, John is loaded.
No.
We are ready to go.
John, don't you dare.
You have to do this 1 minute.
Paige, he's gonna shoot me with a pellet gun.
I
Only if you fail.
One nut.
Oh!
You can do this.
Alright.
And by the way, audience, he has 3 nuts. Count them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and 2 holes.
Can I have my arm back, White Wolf?
You want to get shot?
What?
I've already been shot once, motherfuckers.
You're only gonna shoot me if I make a face.
You have to sit there, blank look, no comments, nothing, just blank look like you did with two guys, one horse.
Oh God.
Yeah, it's just
bad
as bad.
enough.
Are you ready?
Yes, and if I lose, he's gonna shoot me in the nut.
Yes.
And only one time.
I am so keeping it. I might even move. Go ahead.
Alright, hit enter. Here we go.
I can't listen to this song anymore.
Okay, 30 seconds. Oh my god, he's smiling at this.
Does that count as making a face?
Hi, said you are officially gay. Oh, 1 minute, he made it! And he's still watching it!
That is,
Okay, I'll click this off. Come back here.
I'm scarred. I'm scarred. It showed a... and it was
Do you want to shoot yourself?
what?
It is loaded.
Give me your motherfucker!
I'm sorry.
Hit.
I'm sorry!
I'm sorry.
Say I mean it!
I mean it.
I don't know if he
To
does.
prove that this thing is loaded, I will shoot him in the head! Oh!
Please,
No.
please don't. I love you.
I shot the can! God! No!
I put it in the hole.
It never came out.
I'm lucky.
Oh, shit! Ow! Oh! 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 I can think. No! Oh, shit, my eye! Oh!
Ah, fuck, I missed that.
Oh!
Anything to say, Mom?
Huh?
Anything to say?
Hey, hey,
You guys are crazy.
Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. You can see me? No, you can't.
Oh, John.
He's coming out of the closet. Hey, that's my butt!
Yes. But all you have to do is turn on the light.
Mom! Kiwi here just shot me in the butt. Hey, that's my dick, motherfucker!
You only got one. Why? He's fighting over the fall. Are you white and over 21?
That was my wallet.
Not with my own gun!
You're free white and over 21? Handle it yourself.
Yeah.
Some help you are.
Hey, you're both my kids. I don't take sides.
Are not to show favoritism to our kids, not more
No, we're
to the
supposed to
other.
love them.
We're supposed to love them all equally and not show favoritism to any of them.
No, we're supposed
Just
to
like-
love them all equally and unconditionally.
This actually feels good.
Wait. Toss the conic and says watch.
Does anybody hear backgammon from Atari? Huh?
I have an itch.
No, there's one back.
I think I'm gonna end this, and this concludes another
Another
episode
episode
of Tommy Bird!